learned what quadratic expressions are and how to factorize them. Let's learn what quadratic equation means. Quadratic equation is just a quadratic expression with an equal to sign. That is to make it an equation. Let's write that down. A quadratic equation is a quadratic expression with an equal to sign, usually in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now here, where a is not equal to 0, because once this place is equal to 0, it no longer makes it a quadratic equation, it becomes a simple equation. Now let's look at some examples. We could have 2x squared plus x minus 5 equals to 0. That's the first example. Another example, we could have p squared plus 5p minus 6 equal to 0. Another example, we could have 4x squared minus 16 equal to 0. Now, if you look at this example, you notice that it does not have this term here, and it is still a quadratic equation. Recall in the definition, the form, it is usually in the form ax squared plus bx plus c. The only thing that cannot be 0 here is just the a, that is the coefficient of the x squared. The x squared that we have here, it is what makes that equation a quadratic equation. So another example here, we can have 4b squared plus 5b equal to 21. Thank you.